This is a Nintendo DS touchscreen which is connected using a little SparkFun breakout board to an Arduino Dumilinov, and what I've done is mapped regions on it to different buttons. So this is an example of the these are basically the coordinates that are returned when those areas are touched. So I mapped those into definitions for buttons and for one region, so that when you press one of these buttons or touch it with a stylus or move your finger on this slide area here, it then gets mapped back to a button event inside the Arduino. I've also written a little program in processing which accepts the X and Y coordinates coming from the touchscreen and gives you a visual representation of them. So if we run this, we will get a graphical version of what is on this little touchscreen here. And so if I touch the top left button, it comes on there in processing, bottom left button. So this could be turn on exhaust fan, turn off exhaust fan. This is open curtains, close curtains. And the slider on the right, if I touch it part way along, you can see the bar on the right changes. And if I move my finger up or down on the slider, then the value changes. And if I let go, it stays at whatever the last value was. So with this we can create little control panels with hot zones, including some form of gesture recognition, but you can basically define whatever buttons you like by simply selecting areas and then putting an overlay behind the touchscreen to show where the buttons are. So it's actually a pretty flexible little thing. You can do a lot with a touchscreen overlay. It doesn't necessarily have to be over a screen.